Hello everybody. So in today's video guys, I wanted to draw you all the Kuwait Towers. So for anybody that's not familiar with where they are, obviously they're in Kuwait. And if you're looking for Kuwait on the map, if you pull up Google Maps and look at the Middle East, it's a small little bird-shaped country that's right at the very tippy tip of Iraq. Now the reason I chose to draw the Kuwait Towers is because one, I was born and raised in Kuwait, so this is not just something that I just wanted to draw, but it holds a lot of good memories that I've made or created over the years of being born and raised in Kuwait. The cool thing about the Kuwait Towers that I didn't know for the longest time, even I know that I lived in Kuwait, is that the little disc shaped thing that you see in this tower that I'm drawing it right now is actually a restaurant. And what's cool about it is it swivels at a really slow pace. So what's nice is when you are up in it and if you order something to eat, you could be staring out, and at one point you might see the wonderful expressway, and then gradually you'll end up seeing I think it's the Arabian Sea. It's some part of water. I don't know if it's the Arabian Sea, but we'll call it the Arabian Sea for this video. And it's really something unique to look at. If you ever get the opportunity to visit Kuwait, you should definitely go and see it. It's beautiful to look at. The other thing that Kuwait has is, it's called the Liberation Tower, which I don't know, maybe I might draw it in one video and kind of give you all a little bit of like a small history talk about that tower. But for this one, since I'm drawing the Kuwait Towers, another thing that I learned about is, I don't know if it was a documentary that I was watching, but when you look at the towers, the circular parts of the towers that have they have some sort of I want to say glass structures, and I don't know if they're actual glasses, or they're something shaped like glass, but it's kind of really unique. And the only way you could tell it's glass is because I think they kind of did a zoomed up image of it, which was really cool to watch, to know that it was actually glass. I mean, for the longest time I just thought it was some sort of building material, but it's kind of cool to see the different structures that are around Kuwait. I know Dubai, being its neighbor, has got its own unique buildings, such as the Burj Khalifa, the Burj Al Arab, which is something I was also thinking about drawing, and then maybe give you a little small history lesson on what I find out, and make these videos kind of like not just how to draw videos, but also kind of give you like a little bit of a story behind any, like some things like this, what I choose to draw. So I don't know, hope you like this. And I know for the video prior to this, the leaf one, I kind of gave you an explanation as to why I chose to do the voiceover. But now with the new construction that has started up, it's almost like a guarantee that I will have to do something like this, or it'll have to be a silent video. I mean, I'm going to try my very best to make the voiceover something interesting, so it's not just me drawing. Y'all can follow along and also get some information. Maybe it'll be something that y'all can learn. And what else? If there's a place or something that you would like me to draw, I mean, just drop me a comment, and if I get enough of a response from the comment section on something to draw, I mean, I might just pick it and draw it for my next video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos up until now that I've posted, and The main point, as I said in the last video, was my goal with this channel is to teach. So hopefully you'll learn something and have fun drawing. And I guess I'll wrap this video up by saying keep creating, guys, keep drawing, and I will see y'all in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be, but stay tuned, and you guys have a good day, and I will catch you later. Take care. Bye for now.